This is Jim from Papa Bear's Archery in the video studio today. And yes, baby, you have been so good to me in the times that we've had together. It's been a short run, but a great run. We've enjoyed each other's company. We've traveled quite a bit together. We've had a really good relationship together. But sometimes something new comes along and catches your eye. And it's really no fault of yours. This is 100% on me. I feel bad and I feel guilty and I almost feel like I'm cheating on it. Because it's done nothing wrong. It's always been very reliable, not moody at all, easy to get along with, easy to travel with, never asks for a break, never asks for overtime pay or travel pay, willing to do whatever it takes. Yet I find myself, I just have a wandering eye. What can I tell you? So I hate to do it after, let's see, about a 7-month relationship we've had. Sometimes that wandering eye gets me and it's just time to move on. So this is what I'm going to replace it with. This is what's caught my eye. Makes it worse because they're related. Can you believe I picked her sister? What are you going to do? What would you do? Get off the couch.